asked, are references still a thing? And the answer is yes. For better or for worse, most companies are going to ask for and check your references, which is why I created this video, because I want your references to work to your advantage, not against you. And you might be thinking, yeah, isn't that the purpose of references? Well, you would be surprised. I remember when I was a recruiter, I contacted the references of one of our applicants, and I will never forget what they said. They said, you know the person at a dinner party that nobody wants to sit next to? Yep, that's her. They said a lot without saying a lot. Hi, I'm Laura, a career relaunch coach who is here to take your job search from stressful to successful. How did we even get to the spot where references play such a big part in the hiring process? Well, it makes sense if you look generations and generations ago. Most people lived in a smaller community and they applied for jobs within that community. So the best way to get a job would be to have somebody vouch for you, because you knew that that person wasn't going to put their reputation on the line for somebody who wasn't going to be a good worker. But since then, references have been watered down so much that sometimes they're just simply checking off of a box. But you can have them work to your advantage. And the first way is you need to let your references know that you have listed them as a reference. This might seem so obvious. Trust me, it's not. I would say about 50% of the references that I checked over the course of my career had no idea that they had been listed as a reference. And then they were left scrambling. And in some circumstances, they would simply tell me I can't give a reference because company policy says that I can't. And in that case, I would be directed to the work number, which simply verifies position and dates of employment. And that does not look good on the candidate, because it shows me that they didn't even take the time to let them know, and that they might have just put them there because they needed to fill in a blank. And that's not what you want to do. Instead, you want to inform each and every one of your references that they should be expecting a call. But go a step beyond that and give them a copy of the job description that you are interviewing for. And when you do this, then your reference can speak directly to why you specifically are the best fit for that position. Because remember, every job opening is essentially a need, right? The company is looking for somebody to help them meet goals or to solve a problem. And if your reference knows that you're applying for that, they can set you up even better. And also make sure when you're giving references that you are giving professional references. This once again should go without saying, but I have seen where candidates will simply list friends or family members. And yes, that's nice. I'm glad that your friends and family have good things to say about you, but as an employer, we are looking at it from the vantage point of how you're going to do in a job, in the work world. Now, if you have absolutely nobody that you have ever worked with who can vouch for you, start thinking about people that you volunteered with, people that you had as mentors, professors, because there has to be some aspect of them vouching for how you would perform in the workplace. And next, remember that reference letters are not going to cut it. Maybe they would 40, 50 years ago, but at this point we know that anybody can just type up a letter and hand it over and say that it was written by somebody else. Now, I'm not saying if you have a reference letter that you can't include it. You can, but expect your potential employer to contact the person who wrote the letter. So once again, let that person know that they should be expecting a call. And I have one final thought for you when it comes to references, and it actually has to do with your resume. Please do not waste space on your resume and state references available upon request. At this point in time, it is assumed it is simply taking up valuable space on your resume that you could put actual work experience and impact that you had, which will get you one step closer to landing an interview. And if you are looking for even more resume tips, then check out my video here.